Hi, good morning guys, this is mmbabao and this is how we do it. If you have any problems on how to extract videos from the Adobe Premiere, here's what we're going to do. All you need to do is to have a video clip here, drag it here, which I already have here, and drag the video here, and you can click all or select all and go to this files, go to export, select media. Next is go to the format and click FLV. FLV is a very nice video format that you can use to post it in a video in the Facebook or in the YouTube or etc. Next is you need to make this FLV. That's it. You don't need to change something here. Don't unclick this and export, and you need to wait until it finished. And once that this video has been finished exporting, let's go to this one, back captures, which the destination of this video is here. Hi, good morning guys, this is mmbabao and this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Problems on so that's how we do it on how to extract videos from Adobe Premiere. Hope you learned something today on my video. Please like it, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.